Okay.
A hard nut to crack. A hard nut to crack. This is often referred to a situation, a person, a thing, or a problem that is particularly difficult to understand, solve, or deal with. Here's a few example sentences. Fiona is a really tough nut to crack. No one seems to be able to get through to her. Some say the light's on, but nobody's home, but that's a different story. Villa are going to play Manchester City, the current champions, so they will definitely be a hard nut to crack. The new boss is really hard to figure out. He's going to be a tough nut to crack. Good luck trying to get the new guidelines past the head teacher. He's definitely a hard nut to crack. My father loves doing the Times crossword every day. Sometimes, though, he gets a clue that is really a hard nut to crack. The detectives found this mysterious murder case a hard nut to crack. A tough nut to crack has been around since the early 1700s, and it alludes to the tough exterior of a nutshell and how hard they are to crack open. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this idiom of the day, a hard nut to crack, and hopefully it will make it easier for you to crack open in the future. So have a great day, and I'll see you on the flip side.